This is the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. And according to the company, it's not just another ab wheel. It's supposed to replace complicated core workouts entirely. Sounds bold, right? But after using this thing consistently for a week, I discovered something most ads don't tell you. It's either one of the smartest home fitness tools ever made, or completely wrong for how most people actually train. So, is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's talk about it. Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro Product Overview. The Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro is a resistance-based ab roller designed by Perfect Fitness, a brand known for simple but performance-focused home workout gear. Unlike traditional ab wheels, this one adds an internal carbon steel spring system that provides resistance as you roll out and assistance as you come back in. It's aimed squarely at home fitness users, especially busy professionals or beginners who want serious core training without buying a full gym setup. The main selling point here is efficiency, one compact device promising a more controlled, safer, and more effective ab workout than classic rollers. And honestly, that claim is what makes this product interesting. Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro Performance. Here's the thing, the first time you use the Ab Carver Pro, it feels surprisingly different from a standard ab wheel. The built-in resistance kicks in immediately as you roll forward, almost like doing a cable crunch at the gym. That resistance forces slower, more controlled movement, which makes your core engage way earlier in the motion. I use this for daily short workouts, everything from quick morning sessions to post-workout finishers. And what stood out most was stability. The wide wheel design reduces side-to-side wobble, which is a huge deal if you've ever face-planted using a cheap roller. Beginners will appreciate the assisted return. When your abs start giving up halfway through a rep, the spring helps you come back safely instead of collapsing your lower back. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First up, the kinetic resistance spring. Inside the wheel is a carbon steel spring that adds resistance during rollout and assistance on the return. Why should you care? Because it trains both eccentric and concentric core strength, meaning better muscle activation and less strain on beginners. Second, ultra-wide wheel design. This makes balancing dramatically easier. Traditional ab wheels punish small mistakes, but this one feels planted and predictable, which builds confidence fast. Third, ergonomic angled handles. They're shaped to follow the natural angle of your arms. That sounds minor, but during longer sessions, it reduces wrist strain, something many cheaper rollers completely ignore. And finally, included knee pads. Simple feature, big quality of life improvement. Hard floors instantly become usable workout spaces, which makes you far more likely to actually stick with the routine. Design and build. The Ab Carver Pro uses durable plastic housing with a rubberized wheel surface that grips floors well without feeling sticky. The handles are padded and slightly angled, giving it a more ergonomic feel than flat bar rollers. It's not what I'd call premium like metal gym equipment, but it feels solid and confidence-inspiring. Nothing rattles, nothing flexes, and after repeated workouts, it still rolls smoothly. The bigger size might make storage slightly awkward, but the trade-off is stability, and honestly, that's worth it. Pros: excellent core engagement with resistance-assisted motion, much safer and more stable than traditional ab wheels, beginner-friendly but still challenging for advanced users. Cons: slightly bulky for storage, resistance isn't adjustable. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're someone building a home gym, trying to strengthen your core, or just tired of complicated workout programs, the Ab Carver Pro is honestly a smart buy. It lowers the barrier to entry while still delivering real results, which is rare in fitness gadgets. If you're a beginner, this is almost a no-brainer because the assisted motion helps prevent bad form. Intermediate users will love it as a core finisher. But if you're an advanced athlete looking for progressive resistance or full workout versatility, you might outgrow it quickly. Here's the bottom line. The Ab Carver Pro isn't revolutionary tech. It's something better. It's a simple idea executed extremely well. And sometimes that's exactly what makes a product great.